This weekend is an innovation weekend. This is the introduction of a new sleeper for London Underground, first we've done in 30 years. It's also the introduction of FE Clip, a rail fastening system that is the first of its kind to be used in this country. So we're ahead of Network Rail on this, and they're going to be following up behind us. Now the reason we're doing this is because this is more efficient. We lay more track, more quickly, cheaper. And that's what this is all about, and that's the innovation that the Track Partnership are bringing to London Underground.
Business improvement is all about driving down unit rates while increasing production. And boy, are we doing that this weekend.
Getting to the point where we can use the NTC with Fastlip FE has been a journey which has involved areas across the whole of London Underground's maintenance and our key suppliers, Cemex and Pandrol and Balfour Beatty Track Partnership. Behind me you can see the NTC train working, installing the FE system efficiently, safely and at rates which we haven't been able to achieve up until now. This is the future of innovation and track renewal on London Underground.
To understand how excited I am about this new sleeper, let's compare where we were on the old sleeper compared to this new 1502 FE sleeper. With the previous sleeper, we had to get the components to site. Now, they're all in one place. Previously, with the old sleeper, we had to accurately lay the pads on site. Now they come pre-installed in the exact position. With the old sleeper, aligning the nylons on site was another additional step in the process. Now they come factory fitted. Another step with the old sleeper was they had to put the clips in place on site. Now they come ready to go. And finally, the fifth and my favourite difference is that previously we had to pull the clips into position manually, each one by hand. With these Fastlip FE sleepers, we are doing this through automation, either through the NTC machine or other machines from Robel that we're bringing in.
This is the first major FE installation in the UK, and there's been some trials in various locations in Europe. Well, the benefits are that this morning we've relayed 400 metres with the NTC machine in approximately 3 hours.
So here we are at the end of this job. This job we've done an hour ahead of programme with the NTC. And I just want to personally say thank you very much to everyone I've worked with over the last 18 months to make this happen. It's a major step forward for London Underground. Thanks to all the guys in Workshop who have put the Fastlip housings together. Thanks to all the guys in Whitemore Yard who have put these sleepers and given them to us on our deadlines. Without your help we wouldn't have got to this step, but let's keep on pushing to get LUL world class.